This time, the small screen that can be separated is really a bit interesting. The result is just the truth. Today, we are going to unbox the new Ultra. It is the first dual-camera cloud camera. Since 1999, it has also received a lot of attention. So, today we are going to open it and see whether it is real or fake. Let's start with the handle. Take off the plastic cover. There is a microphone hidden here, connected to the bottom of the motherboard via the flexible cable. 1.9K softening battery glue. It can be easily removed from the battery. Take off the heat sink. The whole core area is covered. All cable interfaces have extra transparent glue. There is really nothing wrong with this work. Unplug the battery cable. Remove the battery. The capacity of the battery this time is 1550 mAh. The manufacturer is TearDxn. The motherboard is designed with a single layer PCB, and a lot of silicone grease is also applied to the back of the motherboard, just right in the position of this Qualcomm 4nm flagship control. The whole host uses a sandwich structure, layer by layer, to add heat dissipation. It seems that the food has done the heat dissipation to the extreme for the problem of heat dissipation of this Qualcomm chip. Next is this removable screen controller. Take off the cover. Good guy, even though the Sparrow is small, it has a strong arm. 210 mAh small battery, also from TearDxn. There is also an independent microphone. The core chip comes from Chuanji, responsible for basic operations such as screen display and image transmission. Finally, it is the core dual color module to be disassembled this time. Take off the metal case, you can see a full cabinet again. You can also see an independent image processing chip. The dual color lenses are 1" 20mm main color with 1.1" 60mm mid-focus. These two lenses support up to 8K 30fps Dolby World recording. The overall disassembly, the large-scale heat dissipation rule of Luna Ultra. Sturdy motherboard workmanship. There is also an independent new design of the removable controller. It can be seen that the food still has two brushes. Of course, the price of $39.99 plus other accessories, it's still not cheap to add. If you are looking for multi-stage cloud camera image quality and flexible shooting form, then this Luna Ultra is really worth considering. Okay, that's all for this issue. I'll see you next time.